Let's master English. Conquer ordinal numbers 1st-10th. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into ordinal numbers, particularly the first 10. By the end of this video, you'll be a master at both recognizing and pronouncing these ordinal numbers. Let's get started. Before we start practicing, let's recap. Ordinal numbers are numbers that tell the position or order of things in a set. For example, first, second, third, and so on. Today, we'll focus on the ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. Now, it's time to put on your listening caps. I will say each number, then there will be a pause for you to repeat after me. This exercise helps with pronunciation and recognition. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. First. 2. Second. 3. Third. 4. Fourth. 5. Fifth. 6. Sixth. 7. Seventh. 8. Eighth. 9. Ninth. 10. 10th. Great job! Don't worry if you struggled a bit, just rewind the video and try again. Now that you're more familiar with these ordinal numbers, let's use them in sentences. I'll read each sentence aloud, and then there will be a pause for you to repeat. Here we go. 1. She was the first person to arrive at the party. 2. The second chapter of the book is my favorite. 3. I live on the 3rd floor of the building. 4. He came in 4th in the race. 5. We celebrate her birthday on the 5th of May. 6. He's the 6th person in the line. 7. Her apartment is on the 7th street. 8. I'll be on vacation for the 8th week of the year. 9. She was the 9th person to sign the petition. 10. 10th is the last position in our list. Remember, it's all about practicing and repeating, so feel free to return to this part of the video whenever you need. And there we have it. You've made your way through the first 10 ordinal numbers in English. Keep practicing these until you feel confident, and remember, don't rush. Learning a new language takes time and patience. Every step you take is a step closer to mastery. Hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.